So let's just hit it straight to the point. Insurance companies across the board have got a mindset that they want to do their own thing with their clients, and tell them some scenarios that I feel that aren't correct. And we get a lot of clients coming in, and I'm talking about not just the caravan industry, I'm not talking about the vehicle industry. I'm talking about the scenario that I want to know, and I want people to comment. I want this to pretty well go viral, is the opportunities that insurance companies are telling you what to do with your own asset. So why am I in the position where I'm sitting here listening to amazing team members in my own industries, as well as clients, chatting to me saying, hey, I want my caravan fixed, or my house fixed, or my car fixed, or anything in that insured value by somebody they trust and love. And then they're being told that opportunity is going to rise, that they can't go to somebody they trust and love, or they can't get it. Or let's just say I'm going to give you a cash payout because it's just easier for me not to worry about it. And then when you go and get it fixed somewhere else to get that sorted, it's on you to worry about any warranty claims, any dramas. It's a wipe under the carpet. The other scenario is we've got great insurance companies out there trying to help people, but people don't know who they are as well. And then is, who do you speak to on the phone? What staff member's helping you? Is it the good day or a bad day they're having? And then what assessor you're getting? And is he out to help you, or is he out to try and make sure? And when I mean help you, I mean get your asset back the way it should be before the damage occurs. But what I really need to talk to people about is opportunities of selecting who the repairer you want. You've got that opportunity, and in by law that happens, that you can choose who you want to use. And when I say that, they still have to be working with the insurance company. You still have to have an understanding of that insurance company of, has the value right? Is the monetary value being quoted correctly? You can't be stupid in this area. But I don't want people sent around the bush trying to do that. And we've got clients, and I mean across all industries, happening every day of the week. And please, if you're having this, get on there. I don't mind if it starts a rant or it has a drama. Let me know what's happening, because I want to be there. I want to voice this out to people to understand that we have got a voice in this area about who you get to choose to do that. And then, has it got a warranty after it? Has it been approved by an insurance company for somebody that's not dedicated to a contracted value to that insurance company because they want to spend the least amount of money? I don't know, guys. You tell me, and I know this can start a big conglomerate of chats, but sort of getting a bit emotional to me, where I'm seeing great people getting stitched up every day, not getting the opportunity to bring their assets back to what they love. And what I'm saying is, this is all industries in this area. So jump on board. If you're having a drama, let me know. And if you want to see more of this space and talk about more of this space, I'm willing to have a chat about it. So please have a think about it. If you need our services here, ring us up. We work with all the major insurance companies, and they know who we are, and we're happy to work with them. But please make sure you're making the right choice for you, not just because you're told what to do. Have a good day, and I'll speak to you soon.